Asuntoskeittiö Näsinlainen.
Today it's the 30th of September 2021. Last day of September this year we have Jänislahdenkatu 6 in Lentävänniemi, one of the suburbs of Tampere, Finland, with 8 floors. It was built in 1975. Turned 45 years old last year, 2020. Will be inspected this year, 2021. The Z number is VS41, 53, and capacity is 4 persons, 320 grams, 8 floors. Yes. And nearby we have one more Gen 2 elevator from late 2003 or early 2004, but we'll see if we can get it later.
Yeah.
And they are also building the Tampere light rail line extension towards this district or the suburb. But it will be finished to Santalahti in 2023, and this suburb 1 year later in 2024. Yeah, so this will also be served by light rail.
Yeah.
This is a bit slow with 8 floors.
Yeah.
Could have been made faster.
Of course.
But it's still amazing.
Yeah.
It's a different tone of the wood than in the building, which was it 7 here?
Yeah.
I like the 7 a lot also.
Inspected by QA, maintained by virkamaistekniikka.
Yeah, so different kind of wood here.
Yeah.
Mosquito here.
Mm.
Thank you very much for watching. Let's go to the other staircases in this first including probably 3 other ones.
That's